Hey everyone, as a part of C tricky interview questions, today I am going to discuss one of the most asked programmatic question, which is nothing but palindrome. Okay, so first of all, what is palindrome? Palindrome is nothing but if let's say for example in this right here I have a level, it's an input string, right? So if you reverse this string, again it will be same level. Similarly, we'll have Malayalam. If you reverse the Malayalam as well, it will be same, right? So that is called palindrome. Okay, whenever any a interviewer asks you this question, right? So people used to write, there are two ways I would say, but those are right way, but those should not be what to call optimal way I would say. So uh, most of the people try to do like this, just what they will do, they just take the input and they try to reverse the input string, and then they will map with input and they'll return the they'll check if it is true or not. But when the interviewer says that do not use any inbuilt functions, then what they will do, they will try to write in a second approach. So in this approach, most of the people what they will do, they simply take the for loop and they try to iterate the array from the array or maybe string from the right to left, and they will try to build a new string object, and then they will try to compare that. Okay, but sorry, but if you write such type of code, right, so the chances of hiring you is a very minimal I would say, because let's take this example, right? Here maybe level, take level itself. So level has the length of 5 characters, correct? Now what I am doing here, so I am just trying to iterate in the uh, this level string from the right to left, and I'm trying to create a new string, and then I'm comparing. So which means that I am iterating here 5 times, correct? What if let's say for example instead of level, here might be the input could be lever r, assume that lever, assume that, just simply assume. Now while seeing itself you know that this is not a palindrome, but still to prove that you need to iterate 5 times, right? That is unnecessary actually, correct? And also assume that if the string has like here it is only length of 5 characters, right? Assume that if the string has n number of length, like say for example 10,000 or 20,000 characters length, then again the 10,000 20,000 times you have to take your uh, which is kind of performance wise not a good approach, right? So that's the reason I am suggesting a third approach, which is the most optimal approach I would say. Yeah, so in this example what I am going to do, I am just taking index of left is 0, nothing but the first character, okay, and then right is nothing but no, last character of the string. So input dot length minus 1, which means that fourth of index, which means that this level L. Okay, now what I am doing, I am checking whether left is less than right. So always the left most character is greater less than rightmost character. So if condition satisfied, it will come inside. Now here what I am doing, I am checking this leftmost character equal to rightmost character. If it is equivalent, then what I am doing, I am increasing the left index by 1 and decreasing the right index by 1. Okay, and so on, the while loop will be continue. Let's say for example in this instead of this level, let's say I have a lever, okay, or now in this example what will happen, the first iteration is the right, so it will check that the left input of left is not equal to input of right, correct? So it will break the loop, it will come out. So here if you see an earlier example, right, if I give lever input, so it is no iterating 5 times, but the same input if I gave here, it is iterating only 1 time. So that's how it like performs optimal I would say. Hope you understood this answer, right? So not only this question, any questions any interviewer asks, right, you should think in a bigger picture basically. Hope you understood this video.